Hello, in this video we will be discussing the dip switch settings for the Series 3 Mercury controllers. These dip switch settings will be true for controllers such as the LP2500, LP1501, LP1502, LP4502, and the MR62 Echo. These controllers have 4 dip switches that are used to enable specific modes. In this video, they are identified by the blue box. All dip switches off will put the controller in normal operating mode. Dip switch 1 on will enable the default username and password for the configuration login page. Dip switch 2 on will enable the default communication settings. Dip switch 1 and 2 on will bulk erase the controller and enable the OEM default communication settings. Dip switch 3 is not utilized. Dip switch 4 on will place the controller into compatibility mode. The LP series controller will report and function as an EP series controller. This will be necessary for any site running a DNA Fusion build number older than 7.1.0.46. For any more information, please feel free to access the DNA Fusion hardware manual. Thank you for watching.